Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie in the building as always. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I prepared this fufu using Irish potatoes. So if you want to see how I prepared it, stick around and watch to the end.
Alright. Okay.
So I'll be using 4 potatoes to prepare the fufu. So I'll just go ahead and start peeling the bag.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't want to keep on wasting a life.
After peeling the back, I went ahead and washed it, and right now I'm trying to slice it into smaller chunks in order to help my blender.
I could show you. I don't want to keep on living this life so faceless.
So after slicing it, I went ahead to pour it inside my blender, and I added a little water because of my blender. If you have a blender that doesn't need water for you to blend it, just go ahead and blend it like that. So I went ahead to blend it to smooth.
I'm dealing with the assumptions, cause I do what I got.
So after blending, I went ahead to pour it inside my pot. I placed it on the stove and I started stirring. So after stirring for about 5 minutes, this is the consistency. I don't like my fufu soft. I like my fufu strong. So because of that, I'll go ahead and add oats. This is grounded oats. I just added a little. I will stir it and then see if I would still add another one or not.
I could show you. I don't want to keep on living this life so faceless.
So after mixing it up, I noticed that it's still too soft. So I went ahead to add an additional oat, just a little, and continue stirring and mixing everything.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated.
I poured a little water in my blender, rinsed it out, and just poured it in the pot. So I will stir and mix the water properly and then cover it up to cook for about 10 minutes. So this is me after 10 minutes. I came back and then continue mixing it up and turning it. I'll cover it up again to cook for about 5 minutes. That is a total of 15 minutes. And at this point, my fufu is ready. Can you see that? The thing about potato fufu is you just have to be stirring it and be very close because it burns easily. Yeah, you guys can see what my pot looks like. So I just went ahead and poured it inside my plastic frame. I sprinkled a little water just to give it a smoother look, and then went ahead and poured in my fufu. So this is my potato fufu. Yeah.
All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind to see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I
So guys, if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share my video. It might be helpful to someone out there. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Compliment of the season. See you all in my next video. Bye.
I don't wanna keep on living this life
So faceless.